Find the LCM of 12 and 18 using common division method. Please go through the below steps so that you do not make any mistakes. Step 1. Start dividing 12 and 18 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides both integers exactly, we get 6 and 9. Again, start dividing 6 and 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 divides only 6 exactly, we get 3, while 9 remains unchanged. Again, start dividing 3 and 9 by the smallest prime 2. Since 2 does not divide any of the integers exactly, move to the next smallest prime 3. Since 3 divides both integers exactly, we get 1 and 3. Observe, 3 is a prime number. So, divide it by itself. Since 3 divides 3 exactly, we get 1, while this 1 remains unchanged. Got it? As per step 2, stop here since all the integers become 1. Step 3, multiply all the prime divisors. In this case, they are 2, 2, 3 and 3. Therefore, LCM of 12 and 18 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 gives you 36. Got it? Thank you for watching. For a deeper understanding of HCF and LCM, please subscribe and watch the playlists below from beginning to end.